front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. You need to begin by locating and opening Recorder app that's already on your device. This one. Now tap on this icon over here on the left and adjust all of those options however you want to. File type and storage location. When you finished, go back and start recording thanks to this green button in the middle. Hit allow in the pop-up. Tap on the same button again, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, operate the same button. To end it and save it though, click on the left one. Now name your recording however you want to and hit OK. To find all of your recordings, click on this icon with 3 lines available on the right. Now to play one, click on it. And to manage it, hit Edit at the top right corner. Then choose your recording, send it out, rename it, or delete it. Whatever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!